केरला वाला रज्जी है,
सब पी लिया क्या?
सब पार्टी कर रहे थे बैठ के
What is
सीधा
this by?
प्रॉब्लम पार्टी उनसे।
Follow this one.
रूम में।
Okay, just put this one. You are pagal, no problem. Oh, very good.
हाँ चले।
लाया कर लेती हूँ। बस
गांड हो गई बात। पूरा सलाद बना चाहिए था इसमें।
सलाद
Why need this one? Hey, oh, yes. Good morning. How are you, Mr. Pagal?
Yes,
क्या
sir.
भाई?
इन्होंने पता नहीं 20 वैक्सीन। उनको ना हरामी बिल बनी।
Okay. Okay, start karo. No problem, meeting. Ayo ba, bolo bhai. Name kya bhai? Mr. Salim.
Mr. Salim,
Yeah.
make this
Who prepared this biryani? What we are eating now?
5 people eating.
Yeah, this as usual.
Three
Adam.
Indian people, 1 Bangladeshi,
And this
and 1 also Philippines.
is Pagal.
फिलिपिन चाइना
Too much big pagal.
and this jumbo boy
Kya bolta? Just eat and eat by, no problem. Because this is your first time to appear on my vlog. This is on my YouTube video. So they will see now how you eat pork by.
Yes, sir. You know, I am explaining my experience here. This guy cooking, everyone cooking. This is my idea. You know that. I
Your
have
idea, but the problem
You know that, sir?
only
I
idea.
have experience of 8 years in Saudi Arabia. You know that. You know?
But that is only your idea. But
giving this your all ideas. This.
ah,
This time put water. This time put chicken. This time put all items.
oh, that is only your idea, drama.
Yes, sir.
But you did not cook this one. Yeah. These are Indian. All of them are Indian actually. So you know them very well. This Saddam. And this is a new face. This Salim. Salim bhai.
Yeah.
Kya halik bhai?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
Why Salim, you do not face the video? Check. I eat only one piece. Then Mr. Farooq, this Bakala owner, he eat all this one. Now he finished.
My name also Farooq.
He finished already 2 whole chicken.
Kalas?
Too much this one, bye. Stop this one. After I will not sleep. For how many people this one you cook? For 25 people this one.
Number 1 बिल बनी पोता नहीं है. Number 1 you.
You are Indian, Saudi, Pakistan. Ah,
इंडियन
but mm. Bolo bhai. Bolo.
हाँ sir. No joking no problem. Joking no problem.
Okay, bolo, no problem.
You eating this oil? Drinking oil this one?
Idhar hai.
You want this oil?
Yeah, this one cooked by these 2 people, Salim and Saddam. Yeah.
All instruction given by me. Okay sir.
फारूक
क्या?
डायरेक्टर भाई फारूक
All instruction. All instruction by me giving me.
Yeah, instruction by you, but you did not cook. Check. Now 1 hour eating, not stop.
We finished.
You are finished, Salim bhai? This jumbo bag. He's not finished eating, huh? Now
Yes,
this one
sir.
5 times. See you in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Say
Thank
something,
you for
bye.
all. Thank you so much.
Bolo, this one in your language, no problem. There are some Indian friends, so many Indian friends watching. Bolo in your language. How are you, Mr. Pagal? Bolo,
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you for coming here.
yeah, super Pagal, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
It's very Pagal friend. Meaning Pagal is very good. Aywa, Bolo. Mr.
No
Salim.
comment, no comment.
क्या बोलता बोलो भाई पागल ओके
दोस्तों आज यार बहुत खाया कसम से
वेट कर रहा
Friends, this Saddam wants to weight lose. But how could his weight lose? You know that? Saddam अपना वजन कम करना चाहता है पर एक लघु बैग बन गया है.
भाई मेरे को खिला
बोलता है शादी करना है.
मार दिया मेरे को इधर ही
शादी करना है इसको. He want to marry. He want to lose weight. But how could this one? He finished 2 kilo biryani only single hand. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.